Hey guys, it's your boy named Yakov Karni. We're back to a new video. So today, before anything else, I want to talk about the topic we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about the best shampoo and conditioner, the way you have to use it on your hair, and how to fix the issue of the hair. And I'm going to tell you all the details, but first, I got to talk about something very important. I made a video a week ago and show you guys how to buy this rosemary oil thing, because it's actually good for your hair. And look at my hair, bro. My hair looks really nice and thick and healthy. And when I never used it before, my hair was frizzy and it was always coming out. My hair was always coming off, so you should definitely get this, and it's amazing. So let's back to the video. So in the box, I want to show you guys in the box. In the box, we have a box. In the box, it's a shampoo and the conditioner, but I need to get something so I can take it out. Alright, so we got the key. Do not try this at home. Damn, this thing is annoying. I can open this now. I can open this, guys. So I want to show you guys what is in the box. See, in the box, we got the 2 bottles with a paper. For some reason, Amazon is trying to act like they're so polite people and being fancy about things. But we got the shampoo and the conditioner. So, what is the name of it? What is it for? Good question. I'll tell you everything you have to know. So, basically, the name of it, it's called Redken. And this is actually conditioner, so this is my bad. Let me just start with this one first. So Redken is like basically a shampoo that it's actually good for your hair. When your hair is frizzy, breaking off because you're dyeing your hair a lot, but this actually repairs your hair. And it's not like all the shampoo. No, it's not. It's the best one ever. I use this all the time, and my hair is amazing. It's healthy, and I love it. I really love it. And when I'm massaging my scalp from it, I'll give you an example. When I'm like doing this with my hair with the shampoo, with the conditioner, bro, it's amazing. Amazing experience to buy this shampoo and conditioner. So yes, you should. I'll link you the name of this in my link below, and you should check it out. It's really good for your hair. And if you're really fanatic about your hair and you're very protective about your hair, you should definitely get this. And after that, we got the conditioner. So this conditioner, what I like about this conditioner is that it's very good for your hair, and this just makes your hair soft. But it's not like all the conditioner that you use all the time when you take a shower and stuff like that. So I'm a fanatic with my hair. I'm sorry, I love my hair. Some people don't like their hair. I like my hair. So it's like 11%, and it's a really good hair. It says ingredients. It says like, I don't know. It just says protecting hair, and I don't know, it just says it's for hair, it's for color hair, and blah blah blah. And yeah, that's about it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys comment below about the conditioner and the shampoo, and tell me your thoughts about it. Tell me if you should buy it or you shouldn't buy it. And I'll see you guys in the next week, and subscribe. Bye bye.